For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at 1,678,648 4277 support@pythonhomeworklp.com support@pythonhomeworklp.com or reach us at https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q1. For categorical data within categories, the number of dummy variables will be _ __ a, n b, n, 1c, n plus 1d, 2n answer b, n1. Q2. In the estimation of regression parameters. A. The likelihood function is a function of only b, the values of 0, n, and should be such that they maximize the likelihood function. C. Both a and b. D. None of these. Answer: C. Both a and b. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q3. In logistic regression, the null hypothesis tested is A. H0, beta equals 0 b, H0, beta is not equal to 0 c, H0, mu equals 0 d, H0, mu is not equal to 0 answer, A. H0, beta equals 0. Q4. In logistic regression, A. The graph doesn't follow S-shaped curve B. The dependent variable is categorical C. The estimated value of the dependent variable is not probability D. None of these. Answer: B. The dependent variable is categorical Q5. State true or false. G statistic is used to check the individual significance of the independent variables. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. The dependent variable is categorical. Q6. Choose the correct statement. A. In logistic regression, the dependent variable must be continuous data. B. In logistic regression, the dependent variable must be categorical data. C. In logistic regression, both dependent and independent variables must be categorical data. D. None of these. Answer: C. In logistic regression, both dependent and independent variables must be categorical data. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q7. State true or false. The method of least squares can be applied to models with any probability distribution. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Q8. Suppose you have been given a fair coin and you want to find out the odds of getting heads. Which of the following option is true for such a case? A. Odds will be 0. B. Odds will be 0.5. C. Odds will be 1. D. None of these. Answer: C. Odds will be 1. Q9. Large values of the log likelihood statistic indicate A. That there are a greater number of explained versus unexplained observations. B. That the statistical model fits the data well. C. That as the predictor variable increases, the likelihood of the outcome occurring decreases. D. That the statistical model is a poor fit of the data. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Answer: that the statistical model fits the data well. Q10. The logit function, given as L, x, is the log of odds function. What could be the range of logit function in the domain x sad face 0, 1? A. Infinity, infinity, B. 0, 1, C. 0, infinity, D. Infinity, 0. Answer: A. Infinity, infinity. pythonhomeworkhelp.com.